cammed. Y'all hear the chop on there. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally finished up in Phoenix, Arizona, man. Soul Brothers Annual. It definitely was a movie-fulfilled weekend, man. We had a ball, went to the street races, and so on and so forth, man. If you guys missed that video, make sure you click the link below and go watch that thing, man. You're going to be there all day enjoying that thing, man. So get your popcorn and all that ready. Meanwhile, man, we are back at home, back in the garage. You guys know it's time to get to work, man. So I can't wait, man. If you guys are just now tuning in, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Yay giveaway, man, you guys know we are giving away our 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat. Yes, number 499 of 501. I only made 501, and I got number 499 out of that 501, man. So I'm giving that thing away, paired together for first place with a Harley Davidson. I don't know which Harley I'm giving away yet, but needless to say, man, our first place Hellcat will be paired together with a Harley Davidson, man. Meanwhile, second place, you guys know we got our 2019 Jeep Supercharged Trackhawk with all the everything regular oohs and ahs. Now, it's not here in the garage, it's still at the wrap shop, getting dealt with and getting that whole makeover. That Jeep Trackhawk will be paired together for second place with a Harley Davidson as well. So I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. I can't wait. Today and today only, man, you get 10 entries per purchase, man. So go get you an Everything Regular hat while you still got a shot. Because like I said, man, it could be you next week. Could be pulling up to your door, one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston picking up one of these major prizes, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't, head on over to everythingregular.com right now, man. Meanwhile, man, we are back in the garage. You guys actually seen we also linked up with our winner in Phoenix, man. Speaking of winner, our guy Seth Farino, our second place winner, he won our Hellcat and our 2020 Road Glide right here. Now, you guys seen us on the 2020 Road Glide this weekend. That wasn't the bike, the actual bike, but we got the same paint scheme and all that, man. So you guys got a chance to see what it looked like and all that. But we actually got Seth Farino's actual bike back. We got it back right before we left off, so I can't wait. I'm actually about to pull that thing out, check it out with you guys, see what we got to do to it, and see how we can make that thing look a little bit better, man. Seth Farino should be coming in a couple days or so. I know y'all been waiting for that video, so I can't wait, man. Meanwhile, let's get up in here and check this thing out, man. Let's see what's good. Alrighty, man. Alrighty, 2020 Road Glide. Seth Farino, are you ready, man? Are you ready? Are you ready, man? I ain't gonna even hold you. Now, to make this thing look a little bit better, we gotta add the black fork legs and the cups. But other than that, the whole frame will be blacked out. I need some fender riser so we could put that fender on there, and then I need to put that little oil cooler cover on there. But gotta wash this thing off. This thing is freaking filthy, dirty, and all the above, man. We gotta get it looking good so we can go yay, man. So I'm about to pull this thing out. We about to check it out, see if it fires up, and see what it's looking like, man. So let's see what we got. All right, man. So it's time to get this show on the road. Seth Farino, we got it back, man. We got it back, so I can actually throw a seat on here now. Gotta find another seat, so we'll see what we gonna do there. But anywho, everything is together. Bag, side covers, fender, gas tank. It's definitely dirty, man. We gotta clean this thing up, man. We gotta get it looking like something special. I got the little top piece right here. Do I got a windshield? I gotta see if I got a windshield, but more than anything, man, we're about to take these fork legs and the cups. They already in the Corvette. I gotta go take them to the freaking powder coat shop so they can get that thing blacked out and have it looking good. So we gonna see what's up, man. I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. Let's see if this thing is gonna fire up for us though before we wash this thing up. We got power, we got gas, we got fuel pump, and we got tunes. We got tunage. Actually cammed. Y'all hear the chop on there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we gonna have to go take a first ride with y'all. We gonna have to take a first ride. I ain't gonna even hold you. We gonna have to take a first ride, man. I don't know if I should wash it up first or what. But we gonna get it going. I can't wait. It's a movie. All right, guys. So before we ride it and wash it, I'm gonna actually go to the hardware store, get some bolts so we can put our windshield and other trim piece on there so we can just complete this front end up. Then when we come back, we'll put that on there, wash the bike up, make it look good, and then we'll take it on a ride. In the meantime, we gotta order some fender risers so we can get that front fender on there. And then after that, we should be good to go, man. We gonna see what's up though, man. It's a movie. Alrighty, guys, just made it back to the crib. I done already slapped the windshield and all that on already. So now I'm gonna put the seat on here and we gonna slide. So let me just do that real quick and we gonna start this sucker up and slide, man. All right, guys, let's see. First time riding this bike ever. Ever. Got that joint on it. She got that joint on it. She's sounding great. Got some chops on there, man. Let's slide, man. I'm tired of talking. And just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house. This thing is really powerful. I ain't gonna hold you. It say 114 on there, but who really knows? It definitely is a nice riding bike. It's definitely powerful. It's probably the fastest bike I've got in my garage at this point right now. Between this bike and a CVO, I don't know which faster, man. They probably about the same thing. This one feels a little bit more aggressive. On the low end, it's more subtle. On the top end, you can definitely feel it. So definitely a real cool bike, man. Ceferino. This bike is a freaking beast, dog. Definitely a beast, man. I can't wait. We're gonna get this thing situated, get it cleaned up and finished. Well, it's pretty much finished, but we just got to throw our last little touches on there and we'll be good to go, man. So you guys, let your boy know what you think about it in the comments below, man. It's a movie, dog. Alrighty, guys, next day here. We ended up riding this thing yesterday. Definitely a built bike, really nice, fast bike, man. So Ceferino, be ready to enjoy a freaking beast. I ain't gonna hold you. But now it's finally time to pull this thing outside, get it washed up, and get this engine bay and all this other stuff looking clean and scrub this chrome in. So we're gonna have to bring this thing back to life. Crash bar and all that stuff is like super dirty, man. So hopefully we can put some wool to it, bring this chrome back to life, and get these things shining. We dropped our fork legs and our cups off at the powder coat shop yesterday. Those will be done tomorrow. So I'm thinking about Friday, this bike should be 100% complete, and my guy Seferino can come scoop up his bike pretty much Saturday, man. So we'll see what's up. Let's get this thing pulled out and get it clean real quick though, gang. All right, guys, so before we get started, just want to show you guys a quick thing. So if you guys ever have like a chrome bike or anything chrome rather, and you're trying to clean it up, you guys see how this chrome looks? It just looks like smudgy, just doesn't really look the greatest. Doesn't really look the greatest. You guys see the crash bar, like real ashy chrome. Even the support brackets, ashy chrome. So you get some steel wool grade 0000, and usually you would spray some Coke on there, scrub it, but today we're just gonna be dipping it in soap and scrubbing it. But usually you would get like a can of Coke, spray the Coke on there, scrub that joint, and then come back over it with the water, and that thing gonna be shining. But we gonna get what we can get done today without the Coke, man. So let's get it. And just like that, guys, the wind didn't blew my camera down, but we got this thing all cleaned up, man. Y'all see it here first. 2020 Road Glide Special with all the oohs and ahs, man. Y'all see we never even cleaned this thing up, so just look how clean it looks now. Y'all see how freaking shiny that chrome is hitting now? I'm telling you, it ain't nothing some steel wool can't bring back to life. And it looks good now, but if we would have hit it with some Coke first, this thing would have been shining up even more. But right now it looks great. I ain't gonna even hold you. It definitely looks great. Of course, the paint set and all that is straight. We got the Cobra exhaust on those big daddies back there. Of course, we come over here, screaming eagle parts and the whole ooh and ah, because you guys know this is a built bike. I really wish I had some pig spit so we could clean this motor up a little bit. It would have been shining up black, but when we go to Harley, we'll probably pick some up if we can go to Harley before Seferino get here. But all in all, does look good, cleaned up really nicely. It rides well. Let's see if it still fires up, man. Let's see what we got, gang. Big daddy. Big daddy, man. That's that big daddy right there. That's that big daddy, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Time to go yay yay. Y'all let me know, man. Woo, Seferino, you better get ready. Now that we got that thing cleaned up and pulled back in, my guy Seferino is gonna have a long drive home. Now I got the vents there. They should be in the mail. I'll check them when I get back. But like I was saying, my guy Seferino's got a long drive back to Chicago or Illinois or whatever. But we gotta make sure it's A1. So I'm gonna go get a oil change, and then we'll bring this thing back, park it up, and we'll be waiting for the legs for the bike. So let's get Seferino a good oil change, get him ready to go, make sure everything is solid, and he can be on his way. Look, oil change required. So we gonna get you right, Seferino. All right, we got a quick oil change, everything checked out, good to go. Time to head back in our SRTZ. Just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house. We got the oil change on that freaking beast of a Hellcat, man. I can't wait. Seferino, get ready to slide. The bike is ready just about. It's almost that time, man. Y'all see what's going on. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We finally got our 2020 Road Glide back and got that thing started up, fired up, looking good, washed down, all to a T. We even got a chance to ride that thing and found out that thing has a built motor, man. So I can't wait for Seferino to enjoy that. But not only that, man, the Hellcat Charger, we ended up getting an oil change on that and making sure everything was copacetic. So I can't wait. We're literally only waiting for the black black front fork legs to come, and my guy can come pick up his prize, man. I can't wait. If you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole yeah giveaway, man, you guys know we got our 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat right here, paired together for first place with a Harley Davidson. You guys know we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk. That'll also be paired together with a Harley Davidson, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, I can't wait. It's time to get ready for the rest of the winners to come pick up their winnings, man. So this week is gonna be a busy week. I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.